keep running on me, that bitch sings. Yeah, I keep it loaded, most certainly. Yeah, I keep it loaded. Yeah, just ride the way, if you ride the way. Shawty, ride the way, if you ride the way. I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Yeah, shawty, just ride the way, yeah, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and ride the way. Yeah, I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. Yeah, if you won't ride today, I'ma just ride the way. Yeah, shawty, just ride the way, shawty, just ride the way. You coming with me 'cause you might not survive in it. I got the juice, I'm in a high ceiling. Just take care of the rest, I don't wanna resign to you. But I keep two in that bitch by, yeah. I got a lie, homie, it's about 5 on me. I'ma survive, homie, flying around with a chopper. Yeah, I keep me a new chopper. If you want something to die for, rolling what can you decide though? I can keep on from the ops though, I don't get caught in the lie though. Brought me a brand new coupe, keeping that bitch in a hobby, rolling around in a zombie. You can't move with me, just stay away, ho. I keep the real shit, I'm in the real shit. Yeah, just ride the way, if you ride the way. Shawty, ride the way, if you ride the way. I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Shawty, just ride the way, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and ride the way. I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. If you won't ride today, come and just ride the way. Shawty, just ride the way, shawty, just ride the way. Come and just hop in the ride, I got the drop top. Shawty just feeling the wave, I'm in a hot spot. FBO wet, diamonds, juices, dancing. I keep it floating, I got the whole beam. Something about it, just looking at me, you define me. Got a little drip on you, moving some shit, now you cocky. Shawty been moving away, gotta revise, yeah. And Shawty don't lie to me, she be fine with me. This on me, I walk, how I do that. Shawty been bad as fuck, how I do that. You can't do like me, I move like Sims do. Catching the weight up, I got a blade up. Yeah, just ride the way, if you ride the way. Shawty, ride the way, if you ride the way. I keep a BB on me, you don't want her to die today. Shawty, just ride the way, ride the way. If you about it, then hop in the ride and just come in and ride the way. I'm in a real ship, I'ma survive today. If you won't ride today, come and just ride the way. Shawty, just ride the way, shawty, just ride the way.
Hey, what's going on, everybody? What's going on? So, for everybody that's on here now, this is exclusively VIP. I'm just letting y'all know that now. I am actually testing some shit out right now. I'm trying to figure out what makes more sense because right now the Zoom calls is kind of weird with my audio when I was testing out this earlier. Dang, let me turn this down. So we're going to see how the YouTube do. But if not, like I said, we're going to do our Zoom anyway. We still tapping in on Zoom, though, for those. I mean, I keep saying for those in VIP. Everybody that's literally watching now is all VIP members. But what I'm saying is we are going to be tapping in Zoom when we do our live mentorships. Like every Sunday we do those. So, yeah, let me go ahead and yeah, all right, guys. So, anybody, are you guys in the GJ trade that I just called out like 5 minutes ago? What's good, Sway? What's good, everybody that's tapped in? Nah. All right, y'all just got to the crib. I feel y'all. Yes, sir. So yeah, we just tapped in the GJ trade. That's what we got going on right now. If y'all didn't tap into GJ trade, y'all can still get in it. Honest to God, y'all can still get in because it's still roughly around my entry point. As long as it's still roughly around the entry point, y'all are good. So if y'all haven't tapped in yet, go ahead and tap in. I'm in. Okay, that's what's up. All right, cool. So we got a couple people in right now. Any of y'all trade Tokyo session at all, or y'all just be chilling this time? I know I'll be chilling this time too. Oh, it's the morning where you at? Okay. You must. Where you in London? What's going on, Michelle? Where you in London? Oh, Philippines. Got you. That makes sense. That makes sense. We're gonna see what we can accomplish during this session though. We definitely gonna see what we can accomplish during this session. I definitely do like the Zoom vibe better. If y'all feel me, tap that, press that one. I do like the Zoom vibe better. It's just that, yo, man, it's just the audio be so bogus with Zoom. Everything else be beautiful, but it just be the audio so bogus with Zoom. It's more intimate when we do Zoom calls because I can see y'all faces. If y'all show y'all faces. Hey, is Otto tapped in here? Otto, are you tapped in here? I don't know. I don't think he is. It's like a group FaceTime. No, that's a fact. It's definitely like a group FaceTime. It's definitely like a group FaceTime. We going to, I'm just trying to figure out this audio situation. Like, I had the Zoom link, but then I'm like, well, wait, why did we just switch? Just because I was testing it, audio was so shitty. So I'm gonna figure it out. Next time we do another session, maybe we could possibly, well, we can't do one tomorrow, but we could possibly do something on Friday. But obviously we are gonna do something on Friday. I'm gonna try to make sure we come through on the Zoom with that one. But it's definitely like a group FaceTime because I don't want to be the only one always talking, because that gets dead. Hey, what if I did this though? What if I had end this Zoom and I said, fuck it, we finna just sacrifice the audio? Would y'all be down for that? And if we do that though, we not finna have this pretty ass outlook, because I can't figure that out right now on Zoom. At least with the correct audio. Otherwise, if y'all cool with it, we could just stay on here. It's up to y'all. It's less work if we do it here for y'all to sign in, sign on and all that, but let me know how y'all feel. I want this to be very convenient for all my VIPs. I'll just stay on here, then try again Sunday. Michelle, you press 1. Did I say press 1? I can't even remember. Wait, I think you was pressing 1. It's whatever. All right, this cool for now. All right. We're going to keep it like it is then. It's cool that y'all just like, yeah, fuck it, we down for whatever. Whatever works. Just Sunday we gonna get straight to it then. All right, Sunday we'll start on the Zoom. Yeah, Sunday we'll start on the Zoom. But y'all seen that NASDAQ trade? That was fire. That was fire. And it's crazy because I like calling out ideas because I'm not always by a computer. And I feel like when I'm never by a computer, that's when big plays happen. Yeah, that was fire, man. Anybody made money off that? Press 1. If y'all made some dollar signs off that, press 1. Oh, you passed phase 2 off that call? Damn, bro. That's what's up. Yeah, I see that y'all definitely was making some good dollars off that. So I'm gonna just let y'all know Tokyo session is not as aggressive as New York for sure, and definitely not as aggressive as London, but it still does some moves though. Especially the yen pairs is what I'm looking at right now. NASDAQ ain't gonna do nothing. I'm gonna tell y'all that right now. However though, we will be propping up for London session too. We're gonna be propping up for London session again. We're gonna look for some setups for London session. I'm not gonna be up during London session. I'm gonna just tell y'all that right now. But I know we got some people that is in London, and it's probably like early in the morning right now, something like that, if I'm not mistaken. And well, it's not early in the morning. I don't know what time it is actually. What time is it over there? Michelle, you say you from London, right? What time is it over there? I'll keep closing it off to get my chart, or I'm doing something wrong, huh? Oh, it's 12:43 a.m. To get to your chart. No, I think that's something with your computer or your phone. I don't know if y'all tapped in on your phone or computer. Hold on, y'all. All right, guys, cool. So let's go ahead and start tapping into some stuff for London session while we are chilling with this here for our all-nighter for London. Well, London, I always had loved London session more than New York session, but I just could never stay up during the time. So I just easily tried to adapt. I had to force myself to love New York session. So far, it's been actually pretty good. All right, let me get this damn thing out the way. It's on right now. All right, guys. So ain't much going on with dollar clearly, but we just had a 5-minute gap, but on a 1 minute, 1 hour, 15 minute. Okay, yeah, we just had something happen with dollar. But anyway, ain't much going on with dollar besides it's still sideways trending. It's been doing this earlier this morning, man. It's been doing this earlier this morning. It's crazy. But I know a lot of y'all been asking me, can we buy or sell NASDAQ again? And honestly, I can't tell you yes or no right now because we never took liquidity out here. And then on top of that, we got a new high resting right there. So I already know we tapped in here to give us that signal. One thing I want to see though is if we can get this breakout, then it's over with, because the next area is definitely here. And why I really like this area is because if y'all go on a higher scale, so if everybody taps in on this too, and y'all check like a 1 hour, 30 minute, 15 minute, you guys will see that we got a range. We got a range, so it's kind of like we have this area up here to this area down here, and my extreme is literally right there. But it's like we never took liquidity out yet, so it's just building more up. And I love it when it does that, because that just tells me it's definitely gonna get there. But it's all about when, you know what I'm saying? It's all about when, for real, for real. So let's see, but I theoretically my setup is here. Like just to be really simple, my setup is literally right here. Like that's my setup. You said it looks like we took liquidity out to the left of this right here. You must be talking about this one. Yeah, on a smaller scale we did, because if I was to tap in on like a 15 minute, this is all the liquidity that was resting. And then we took those liquidity highs, so we could be heading down, but I don't think it will be heading all the way down to tap this out yet. But like I said, it's kind of like I want to see what's going to happen. You know what I'm saying? We got to see what happened. What could happen. Hold on. Some people said link's not working. I think you might have to be logged in, but you don't have to be logged in. Oh, it's working. All right, so you must be in it. All right, cool. Yeah, guys. I would be like, hit the like button. Y'all know how I am when I'm live. But we mellow today. We chill. Y'all hear my voice. It's very calm today. If it is calm, it's chill. We chilling today. Market is settled and calm. I feel cool. I feel at ease. Tokyo session is a session for ease. For those that's tapping in, we caught out a GJ trade, and the some of y'all do have access to see the signals and some don't, but it's all good because I just literally caught it even here. So if you guys are tapping in, we are currently in a GJ trade. Let me actually put the notes down here. Yeah, you be banging us on the likes. I do. I definitely do. All right, I want y'all inputs. Hey, I need y'all to drop y'all charts. If y'all have a NASDAQ chart and y'all have like a different markup, or y'all want me to look at it, I need all y'all to drop y'all charts right now in the VIP section or any. I'll say the VIP section because it's easier for me to see it. Let's all look at NASDAQ together and let's see what we got. Yo, man, I'm in gold right now, and I've been holding this gold position for the longest. I've been riding this overnight since yesterday. And this was like I'm trying to remember what time frame. I think I got in like a 30-minute for like a sell. I didn't realize it was going to hit me with all of this. And then we're finally starting to come down. But with gold, honestly, y'all, with gold, I still wanted to come up to these highs. You know what's actually crazy is that we got some new highs that it can tap into, but not even that. We just have so much we still got so much liquidity built up, and it did take liquidity here though. It definitely did. So that's a good thing. My only issue with gold is it's just consolidating too much. But we do have some other liquidity zones that we can grab, which is really all of this up here. We can definitely take this out. Finally got it sorted, Michelle. Dope. Yeah, we got to take some of this out. And then, you know what's, oh shit, look at this. You know, another thing I just seen while I was talking is look at all of this build up. Look what just happened. Right there's what we call a what? A liquidity phase. I like to call liquidity phase 1, or liquidity phase 2. And then boom, look what we got right there. I think London session might be turning up, because we got liquidity phase 2. And then what could happen from here is that market could possibly tap up to this level, maybe pull down, tap into this level, and then pull up and grab this liquidity, and then maybe tap back into these levels again and then pull down. That's my idea. But my setup will simply be, I will enter in here. Actually, I will be looking for some sells or some buys, but my overall setup is resting right at 1777.500. That's idea. Like, that's idea. How y'all feel about gold? Key, you send me your markups? Is this? Oh, sorry. Wait. When you guys send me your markups, also try to do one thing for me. If you can explain like what is going on in the charts, but I kind of see you already marked it up. So we're gonna look at yours in a bit. You look, what is this? This is NASDAQ. Okay. Yeah, I need all y'all to tap in, throw in y'all charts. We're gonna check it out. Yeah, we got some liquidity that's getting taken out right now. I just don't know if we're gonna get ready to head up yet. But if we can break out of these highs right here, that would make sense. I agree, that would make sense. All right, let me mark up NAS. Okay. Y'all got y'all gold markup too. Drop that down. Y'all got y'all gold. Drop that down. Hold on, y'all.
Been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know me. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me, want you to glow with me. Yeah, alright, okay. We get it. No contest. Wait, see this gold on me. Serve up, nigga. To glow with me. The world been dying, days is numbered. Check the climate, I'm sick of it. They had brain scheme to get the riches quick. I played a long game with serene scene and a whip that's quick. From the back room to the hearts, I'm in the thick of it. I grind too hard for y'all not to see me a star. Bitch, I'm raising a bar like they really pay me to talk. My life been in shambles, but I got handles. I'm finishing at the rim. I remind you time. And
We got our eye open on gold too, y'all.
you ain't know. It's not just for the show, but that you entertain. Anybody not for me is below me. Blow me, you in the way. I live my dreams, I got it locked. The master keeping on me. Back in the field, running audibles with the team. Everything I got out the mother. Told my truth, I shake that fake shit. They praise you, then minimize you behind you. Just know I notice you. Stay woke, no joke, it really be the ones you closest to. Had to stop sleeping on myself like I ain't know the truth. Oh, this to me like it's really nobody code is this. And if you disagree, then you jaws and your claim get audited. Who you know do the beating and talking and write the harmonies. I'm really convinced there's nobody out here going hard as me. Wish well the dog that claim belief in me so he could use me. Look at me now, you chose your route, I know you sick to see it. You talk a lot, all that.
Okay, I got yours.
Status, we back, ain't nobody raws us to the ones that held me down for the count. Look at what growth will do. I'm the kid from the cul-de-sac, feeling double sex with loot they pay to play my shit back. In a way I'm going back until I'm fossil fuel to the flame, just like I'm supposed to do. Enough of the code switching, been hitting my soul, been on the ropes, I'm ready to grow. So get to
Okay, so
keep your head up, I want you to
you got gold. Oh, you sent me gold and NASDAQ. Okay, let's look at gold. Oh, I love your charts. It's simple. So I see you got your fills. I'm trying to see. I see you got it from that swing low. So I see you got your fill. Damn, this is actually why I wish I was on Zoom right now, because I was gonna grab my little annotate and annotate on it. But I see from here you got your fills drawn out from here to where is? Guessing somewhere up there, right? From here to there. Yeah, it looks like it. Anyway, yeah. See, you got some liquidity because you seen that you have once again the lows, and I see that you also noticed that this area is just building up full of liquidity. That is correct. Even if you were to draw a straight line too, you will see it right there too. So that's perfect that you got that. Remember, guys, liquidity doesn't have to be a perfect straight line. It can also be diagonal. It can also be diagonal as well. Big J, I'm gonna check yours out too. Hold on, y'all. Okay, so I was like, hold up. I was like, there ain't no way we just. I thought I had an alert up here. I'm like, there's no way we just hit that quick. Okay, what GJ doing? No, I ain't doing nothing. Gold is always volatile, no matter what session we are on. Yeah, we broke out these highs. All right, guys. I'm looking at. We're gonna keep our eye on dollar. Dang, I didn't know dollar goes this crazy during this time. We're gonna keep our eyes on dollar. But we got some time to wait though. It's not doing nothing right now. It's creating this range, so we gotta probably wait like 5 minutes or so. Especially what the hell is going on right now. I don't know what the hell is going on right now. We must have something happen. Oh, I don't know if this gap is what's causing this. 7 o'clock. Just hit 7 o'clock. That's also why. All right, let's wait on this range to form. We got to give it like 5 minutes. I'm on a 1 minute right now. But anyway, let me go back to your chart. Got a little distracted. So yeah, gold, I like it. You have liquidity. It's been taken out now. You think it's coming. So you have the extreme set. I see that. I see you got 2 extremes, which is perfect. You're in a. This is the 1 minute as well. So obviously we're looking at the same thing right now, but I'm looking on it to grab this liquidity. Whoa, wait, hold on, because your charts look a little weird. I know we're talking about this moment right here. All right, There we go. It's making sense now. It's crazy because when I look at your charts, it's like I'm trying to not see something different, but I see something different. But that's why I was a little weird because this is how you had your lines drawn up. But all right, so yeah, I see liquidity is resting here. We took that out, right? And then now since we took that liquidity out, actually on a higher scale, that's what it is. I need to see the higher scale, and I don't really see that much. But on a higher scale, I can see it actually coming to this liquidity high here and taking that out next. That's what I see happening. But once again, we got to keep our eye open because what it could happen is as it's creating this range, which it just created a midpoint, it looks like it off the 1 minute, we can see market tapping right back in that same area, and then we can look for it to come tap into these levels right here, you know. So I like your markup. It's very clean, simple. You got to set up, and your setup is you want it to come down here and then you want to buy. But be careful though with the buy because the overall trend is actually going down, and honestly, what could happen? Yeah, it could take out, and it will take out this liquidity, but I just don't know where it will end from here. I don't know if it will come tapped in here, come up, tap in here, come up, tap in here. So with that setup, be very cautious because that setup can be very, very tricky, very tricky. But I love it though. All right, Big J, let's go into yours right now. I see you did yours on your phone. Do you trade on your phone or do you mark up on your phone? I can never do that. I can never get a full analysis markup on my phone. Damn, man. I don't know how you do that. You gotta teach me. I can't do it. What type of phone you got? You got an Android or you got an iPhone? I need a big ass phone to do that. I need a tablet type phone to do that. All right. So NASDAQ. Oh, yours is simple. You're like, I'm waiting on it to come to this extreme, and that's it. That's simple. I like it. Very simple. I'm with you on that one too. I'm waiting on it to come up to that extreme slash mid. It's like a both if you really think about it. Because if you look at this top part to this bottom part, this is literally the range. And I see you got moving averages. And this is why I like, guys, by the way, this is why I like having moving averages if it was to be an indicator that I really want to rely on, which is really moving average and RSI. But we tapped into this extreme midpoint. Look where your moving average is aligning, right in there. The moving average is basically where the average price should be, or it's basically where the price should be in a 14-day period. That's the average of where price should be. So if you're using a 14 EMA or 14 SMA or whatever, it's basically telling you price should be here based off 14 days ago, based off the average of what we are anticipating what's going on with market. So that's beautiful. This right here, I know these are like, I forgot what indicator you're using there, but yeah, I've seen this before. I can't remember what it's called. Hey, you taking my membership? And oh yeah. Make sure you hey, DM me by the way. DM me. Send me a DM. Let me know. Send me a DM and say, hey, I just got in your December mentorship. DM me, please. Yeah, your markups is clean, man. I love it. Fresh, simple. Envelope indicator. Yeah, that's what that is. That's what that is. Yeah. That's what that is. I remember it now. All right. All right, let's go back and tap in and see what our trades are doing. Then I'm gonna go off y'all other ones and see what we got. Like I said, we're gonna consolidate. Maybe London, we could start seeing some reaction, but we'll keep our eye open. Gold ain't really caring now for it. We did break out the high, but like I said, we wanted to see a range first. We broke out this high already, so we're going to keep our eyes open for this one and see. Still choppy right now, so it's not much for me to really analyze. But it is moving though. Why you ain't tell me gold does this during this time? Why did not tell me gold does this? All right, guys. Michelle, you're next. We're gonna check yours out. Guys, we are looking at the pairs that we want to think that we want to analyze for this week. We want to see or for tonight and for tomorrow, we want to see what we can get. So this is beautiful that you got GU. All right, cool. Very simple, man. I love these charts. I just love the simplicity. I just see you got two zones, so I'm sure this is where you're looking for market to tap into. And what's interesting is GU is actually, I haven't really checked it out, but let me look at mine and see what I can come up with too. So where are you at when you sent this one? We're on a 5 minute. Okay, we're here. All right, cool. So yeah, GU's been choppy going up though, but I still see something as far as up moves. You know, that's what's been happening on a smaller scale. Excuse me. That's what's been happening on a smaller scale, but this one's a little cause we already came into some levels, but it's with this one that's getting me a little worried. But regardless, as a scalper, a lot of that noise we don't have to worry about. And the fact that you have this and these levels as your areas of interest, that's perfect. So your markup is simple, and I love it, and it's straight to the point, and that is how I see it too. So I believe your markup is current and accurate because that's what I want to see in my end. Like I would like for it to tap down, tap up to maybe this level here, and then tap down to these levels, and then boom. Or this level and then boom. Now that'd be fire. You feel me? Is there going to be an upload as well? Yeah, I will have this uploaded too. Actually, I think all I got to do is take this off unlisted and then post it as a members only video or something like that, and then share the link. It's simple. But yeah, it'll be available. I love that y'all sending these markups. But before we go into some more, let's tap in once again. Let me remove this. So y'all, with GJ, actually, one thing I did not post with GJ is that there was another opportunity to buy. I'm trying to remember, where was it at? I know there was another opportunity to buy somewhere over here, but I don't think I posted that one. I posted NASDAQ and what was the other one? And GJ. Oh, GJ. Oh, yeah, GJ. Okay, so I posted the bigger picture of GJ. Gotcha. That's what it was. I thought I posted something else. Yeah, gold is already up to its thing, doing its thing. About to take out this liquidity.
Enough of the code switching. Been hitting my soul, been on the ropes. I'm ready to grow, so get to know me. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me, want you to glow with me. Yeah, alright, okay. We get it. No contest. Wait, see this gold on me. Serve, want nigga. You to glow with me. The world been dying, days is numbered, check the climate, I'm sick of it. They have brain scheme to get the riches quick. I played a long game with serene scene and I whip this quick. From the back room to the hearts, I'm in the thick of it. I grind too hard for y'all not to see me a star, bitch. I'm raising a bar like they really pay me. They talk my life been in shambles, but I got handles. I'm finishing at the rim. I remind you time and again that I'm really him. Oh, you ain't know? It's not just for the show, but bet you entertain. Anybody not for me is below me. Blow me, you in the way. I live my dreams, I got it locked. The master keeping on me. Back in the field, running audibles with the team. Everything I got out the mother. Told my truth, I shake that fake shit. They praise you, then minimize you behind you. Just know I notice you.
All right, y'all, hold on. We're going to tap into some other charts. Let's see. Work. Email, we're going to go into y'all. And I'm going to check y'all other ones later. There's a budget coming up today in UK. Let me tap into the news. Ain't nothing happening today. So all happened. Let's see tomorrow. Damn, tomorrow's pretty chill. Except for the Feds. Oh, we got Fomatic news again. That actually does move the market. Oh wait, we got a lot of medium news tomorrow. Yeah, tomorrow. And it's all in the AM too. After that, everything else is quiet. What's going on Friday? It's pretty quiet for this week. All right, let's tap into yours. So, or you got UJ. I used to trade it. I stopped, but I see you have going in on a buy after price sweep sell side liquidity. Then I see a break of structure and my entry in a fair value gap as a fair value gap. Okay, makes sense. Entry is not exactly at the long position. This is just a general idea. Okay, I get you. This is actually super clean. I see you using that indicator. I was tapping into that one too. That's a dope indicator. The spot imbalance. So you're looking sell side liquidity. I see you got the equilibrium off of this. I'm pretty sure your zone or your range is possibly what from this low to this high. I mean, it look like that would be 50% of that. Buy side liquidity. So you got liquidity everywhere here. I mean, you got low side, sell side, buy side liquidity. This is beautiful. I like this. Simple. It's simple. Y'all said it just said stop loss? What? Holy shit. It definitely did hit stop loss. Wow. I ain't never had encountered that one. What the hell? So that one hit stop loss. Hey, no problem. That one hit stop loss. Let's see. Hold on. Let me post this. We'll be looking for re-entries. Okay, so yeah, damn, it looked like it just peaked down there and just say, yeah, we about to swap that liquidity out again. But it makes sense on why it's doing all of this, guys, because there's so much liquidity going on, if we really look at it. But either way it goes, I was definitely tempted on this move for sure. Because I know I was seeing this as my, my extreme point off of this range. But I know we got a bigger range. We got all this liquidity here. This is why I try to stay away from, but it was just like, yo, this play just looked it right, you know? So all right, let me check out. Okay. All right. NASDAQ don't never really do nothing during that time. But we did take this liquidity out high and liquidity out low. We had no entry though. It was, once again, this one was a little tricky too for me. It came into my extreme, but then this one immediately just went up and just went to the moon from here. Now that it took this liquidity out, I still want to see it come topping up further to grab this bigger picture. GU, I wanted GU to tap down. I actually wanted to come into this level up here and then tap down, because stuff like this is super clean. I don't like this, but this wasn't bad though, as gold is. Gold was bad this morning. That's why I'm just like, yeah, all of this is nonsense to me. I see British pound just did some weird spike up, spike down. That's why that move happened with us just a second ago. If that's not manipulation, I don't know what that is. That's so fucking funny. But that's exactly what happened on the lower scale. You from the UK? Oh, we gonna have to look for a better entry eventually. Yeah, guys, the setup is still standing with me with GJ. It's not. I'm just not getting nothing right now besides this. Because at this point, we got liquidity here, here. Really from where I'm drawing my box at. Are we looking for re-entry on GJ? I don't see anything happening right now. I don't. If y'all see something, y'all let me know. That's what I'm saying. Like, I feel like stuff is about to happen during London opening. What I want to happen. I just want this liquidity to be taken out, and then from there it's kind of like, cool, we own something. But I see it going up. I do see it going up. I just see it going up. All of this right here. I mean, we did take liquidity out. Shoot, if we really look at it, technically we took all this liquidity out. And then we got a shit ton of liquidities chilling right here. That's how I see it. That is exactly how I see it too. We might have something out there now that I'm looking at it like that. Only thing that I don't have confirmation of is this range. And depending on how it wants to move now, determines on what it will actually do when London open. But there's a re-entry coming for GJ. I see it. We just did the liquidity phase thing. And then it also tapped into my midpoint off my higher range. And then also, not only that, but it also tapped into the extreme. I mean, technically all of this was the extreme from what we originally had it, but that's the extreme from here. And this is the midpoint from this bigger range too. And then now it wants to do the impulse of trend up. So now we just, just want to see the range happening. Because I tell you right now, whenever this top, wherever this, if it wants to come and grab this liquidity, cool. But wherever that tops off at, boom, right there. That's a, I don't know if this would be our midpoint or our extreme. This looks like this would be our extreme if we can get this to go further up. But yeah, that's how I see it. So right now I can't say too much about GJ besides that we just gotta wait. Are you waiting for it to break and retest? I would say yeah, no. Like, I'm not really waiting on a break. Like, that's what you're asking. I'm actually more so waiting on the range to form. In order for me to know when a range will form is when a internal low has formed. And I don't see that forming until possibly getting somewhere here. So once that internal low forms and then it pulls back up and then breaks out, that's when I'll be like, all right, guys, let's get ready for a trade. And then y'all talking about the budgeting is going on too. So like I see, and that's for us, that's for tomorrow. What time y'all said that's supposed to be happening? You said what time? 10 a.m. what? Oh shoot, it's about to open up Fruity Loops. Hold up. We don't need this. All right, let me go back here. Volatile, I mean 10 a.m. GMT time. I see that supposed to be forecast statement coming out. Is that what you're talking about? And that it doesn't give a specific time, but y'all saying 10. See, this is why it's Forex funds. I don't really like Forex funds because they don't be too detailed with everything. Investing.com. economic. Wait, my bad. Yeah, I'm tripping. You tapping on? Oh, what you sent? You sent something? Oh yeah, I see. Oh yeah, you're killing me with those markups, man. I cannot see that. I'm not even gonna lie to you. All right. Tomorrow. We got CPI with Euro tomorrow. See, I didn't even see all this in Forex or Forex Factor. Apartments. BBC, they said around 10 a.m. GMT. Got you. Okay. So yeah, we'll see what can happen. But somebody asked me about break of structure. Can't remember who you were, but basically, yeah, I want to see market create this range like as it's doing now. Want to see another low, and then once again, this right here is my extreme, possibly my extreme, or it could be the midpoint, but I don't see an extreme further down. So this looks like my extreme. We just got to form a midpoint. Yo, is there anybody here that trade synthetic indices? Tap 1. I don't know if any of y'all do, but press 1. I want to faithfully get back to trading those. I feel you. Nobody don't. That's cool. It's just what synthetic indices got me my biggest flex in Forex trading ever, man. It got me my 2 biggest flex ever in Forex trading. Just leverage trading in general. Like, it's crazy. I'm more addicted. I was more addicted with synthetic than Forex for like 3 months straight. And then after that had happened, I ain't stopped trading synthetic for 3 months straight again. And then I kind of slowly picked back up to coming back into Forex, trading it faithfully. Like, it's crazy. It's just synthetic, man. It moves like... Let me see if I can show y'all real fast while we wait and see what's going on. Divide DX. I think that's what it's called, right? Divide X DX. So, hold on, y'all. I'm about to show y'all. I gotta sign up with that one. Okay. So, like, this is called volatility 75. I'm gonna tell y'all this right now. When things consolidate, the consolidation is like never small. You will never see a small consolidation. This is all algorithmic plays, literally. So with the pip or points with like an indice, if you take that into synthetic, that is literally how many pips it will be if you were to take this amount. So it'd be literally 9,000. No, it actually be 90,000 pips off of this. So believe it or not, y'all probably never seen this before. With V75 is what it's called. you can actually trade. I don't know what they call it. It's not a micro lot. It's smaller than a micro lot. It's something like this. You know, micro lot is that, but with this one, you can go as far as out like this. If you ever do a standard on V75 or any of these indices, I wish you good luck, because I remember it moved from this. I'm on a 4 hour. If I was to jump on a 1 minute, I kid you not. A move from up here to down here off of a standard, and I'm not 100% accurate with it, you would have made 11K off of a standard. One standard lot. This would have been $11,000 you would have made in like not even 30 minutes. When I had tell you guys I turned 1,300 to 40K in 4 days, this is why. That was the biggest flex I ever had in Forex trading. And then I did one previously of turning 2K into 25K in a week. And that's because of this stuff right here. Moves like this is 16 bands if you did a standard. And what's really crazy is the margins are extremely low. So even if I had $1,000 account, I can do a standard. Just know if that joint dropped 2-3 pips, I'm already out. That's why I love synthetic indices. And it's 24/7. Bro. That's why I got addicted to it, because it was 24/7. I could make so much, and I did it. I got that video I put, that was like that video I did at 13 to 40K. It was because of that's why the market isn't, you would never see something this little with synthetic unless it's a certain pair that you trade or a certain indice you trading. But like volatility stat or anything like that, you would not see no little static moves. It's always aggressive moves. It's like NASDAQ, but times 30. Just think of NASDAQ without this right here. Think of NASDAQ constantly dropping and going up, dropping and going up, dropping and going up. That's what synthetic is. So yeah, I was just curious if anyone trades it, because you have, unfortunately, if you are USA or UK, you can't trade it unless you find some shortcuts in and out. They just be banning everything for us, man. They don't never want us to make money. I swear. Because the Feds own everything. That's why. If the Feds can't control it, they don't want it to be traded in the States. And that's real talk. That's why it's not traded in the States, because it's synthetic. It's a fake market. It's all fake. It's all algorithms. DeVry is the one that created it. They're basically moving the market. They have say how they want to move the market. Just like how the Feds moves the market. Crazy, right? Crazy. If the Feds can't get a hold of it, they don't want to trade it. Like they was trying to lock down binary, not binary, but lock down crypto. So they was like, all right, we're just gonna text y'all. We gonna get our money. Uncle Sam ain't playing, y'all. Why did I stop? I ain't stop. I just I swear to gosh, I ain't stop. I just can't do that and do Forex at the same time, because with synthetic, I actually traded a little differently than Forex. Forex is more calm, and I can look for positions like what we're doing now. When synthetic, if it hits like right here, I actually trade all breakouts when synthetic. It's almost like unreal. Once it breaks out, I gotta almost be in there, because it's never gonna pull back. Like it's just like almost at a point where it's just never gonna pull back. It's pretty dope though. I was just curious to see any of y'all trade it. Yeah, y'all see gold took out that liquidity, took the lows. That means it's dropping now. It looks like we could still come to these. Let me take this little trend line real fast and go on to 5 minutes, see what we got going on. Yeah, we got these lows. It can come tap out too. I'm just gonna draw a line like this. This is a perfect setup right here. We fulfilled that gap. Dollars looks like it's trying to creep up. Gold must means it's creeping down. We tapping into a midpoint. Well, really an extreme off this. GU making you right now? Oh, whoa. It definitely just went down there. What's up? That's what's up. It ain't even come to my extreme. It came to my midpoint right there, and then it tapped down with the engulfing. That's beautiful if you caught that one. Somebody gave me a GU trade. Who was that? Michelle, I think that was you, right? It's coming to our levels, though. What's your name on what's your name on the chart that you sent? What's your name so I can look at it? Yeah, we tapping into this area right now. Does GU and gold correlate? Really, yeah, it could, because it's all based off dollar. You know, if dollar's going up, gold will go down, GU will go down, euro will go down. Just because dollar is strong. The market's king. Wait a minute. Oh, no, wait. Okay, hold on. I see y'all saying more markups. I was like, hold on. I know I just seen something like this. Okay, yeah, this is dope. I like that. Market king. So yeah, yours is what the hell? Okay, so I see you got this level marked up here. Yeah, this is right, because I was looking at the same exact thing you got. Yep. Are you looking to sell limit, put a limit order or a stop order or something? But otherwise, no, this is perfect. You see your range is this high, this low, extreme is tapped up here. And then midpoint could be this area right there as well. So yeah, this is perfect. But I think you got to mark that fair value gaps, right? It seems like it. So once market taps into these areas, we got to wait for that low to be formed, break out, and then we can look for that sell. What's going on? GJ is just doing his thing. Dollar, I mean gold, I'm looking forward to come back up in this level here. I don't use limit. I can't really master those either. It's just something about it. Okay, guys, so we are going to put an alert here. See, when I add alerts, let me do something. Don't send me an email. Yeah, I see a lot of y'all had the same markers for NASDAQ. That's fire. I like the markups I got though. It's fire. Anybody else in any other trades? We in GBP USD. We in it for what, a sell, I'm guessing? What would be your for entries on the 15-30 minute? My analysis would be the exact same as what it is on a literally on the smaller scale. Oh, you went for it. Okay, you went for a buy. It would be exactly what it is on a on whatever time frame I'm 1 or 1 minute right now. So I would have the exact same analysis, because if I'm analyzing the 15 or 30 minute, it's just going to end up being the same joint, you know. Regardless, it's just going to end up being the same jump. Yo, I did not know gold is volatile this much during fucking Tokyo session. It's pretty intense. Are we having a live trading session like this weekly? Yeah, we are. Or you meaning like, what do you mean though by that? Like specify, just so I fully understand. You was dropping, boy. This is really like VIP. Okay, yeah, gold is stepping down, guys. This trade is like probably not even gonna be valid, because if we take these liquidity lows out, it's over with now. We're gonna see some damage happening. Yeah, we're gonna do these weekly. Yep. You said GU's about to hit your TP1 every day. Nah, we're not gonna do every day. I'm actually in the process of trying to switch things around if I'm about to do things with the VIP though. I know there was somebody that had two levels right here. This is probably the time where you can start looking. Oh, you said it's obeying. I thought you said deny. I was like, oh shit. No, it's obeying. I bet it is. This is fire though. This is a fire setup right here. Since I missed out on it, I'm gonna be looking for something else. I hate that I keep getting notified about this shit. It's annoying. It's cool if I can chart up and you could help me more on entries. You know what? We're gonna do that more on Sundays though. We're gonna definitely be doing that more on Sundays. Like actual, and we're gonna do that on Zoom though. Like you tell me what you see, how you see it, and we're gonna apply the pressure off that. All right, guys. So it looks like everything is already in works of happening for plays. So it looks like we're gonna have to see some shit for London. So let me do my markups, top down analysis, and show you guys what I see. All right, so I'm looking at gold, and really the only thing that I see that I want to trade is gold too, and also, excuse me, let's see, euro. It's really gold right now. So gold finally grabbed all that little liquidity that was resting all here, right? It finally took all of this out. It's still taking it out. So now that we've seen that, and also seeing that we now also have new liquidity building that was also built up, we could still come back up again to these levels up here. And maybe London session, this is where we can get that drive going up all the way back up, and then tapping back down from here and then reacting again off that. You know what I'm saying? So that being said, let's keep our eyes open. But like I said, my setup is coming out of these highs, even tapping up into a lot of this liquidity build up. Once again, if you guys look at it, we got this range and we got this range for whenever this ends. So we can be very cautious. Let's be very cautious. We can focus something on that one, or we can even tap into some of these levels. So let me put this one out. Hopefully. Okay, guys, that's what we got going on for gold. Remember the Nigeria lady. Oh, I remember that. Yeah, unfortunately, we not together right now though. It's kind of crazy. But man, my boy is good though. He's actually, I can hear him in the background right now, just playing. But he's good. It's good to hear you, and I like to see that you tapped in still. That's what's up. All right, guys. So let's look at you. Sway, you looking at euro? What you see? Euro to create a range and drop down. You looking at euro? You looking at euro to do what? 1.035. Damn, man, I need to make this thing bigger. I swear, I can never see nothing. I'm gonna just copy this, and we're gonna see where it's at in the chart. Okay, I see. So is your range? Let me ask you. Are you looking at this as your range? And if so, are you looking at it as your extreme? And also, are you looking at this as your range? Because if that's the case, that makes perfect sense. Liquidity, boom, take that out, come tap in. All of this right here is noise. So yeah, I'm with you on that one too. Set 5 minute, the most recent range that's about to form. So you're talking about this one, right? That's what's up, man. 800K house tomorrow, and I can't wait. That's what's up, man. You definitely gotta invite us all. Just know I want that. I wanna give me a Douce. What else? Couple Douce, and just a lot of strippers too. No, I'm playing with you. I'm playing with you. All right, guys. So GU, we're gonna have a setup too coming for London as well, and that's the simple buy off of all of this liquidity here. All we want to see is market creating some type of high range, basically breaks out of that range high, taps into some midpoints, and then up away. We can look for it to come up to these levels. This one is pretty darn simple. If it wants to though, come further down. This is how far I can see it coming to. So let's keep our eyes open for London, y'all. Let's keep our eyes open for London, see what we got going on. So you said I'm looking at the most recent low high and waiting for it to come up. I can't even talk. To come up a bit. Got you. Okay. Makes sense. Well, yeah, guys. Today's pretty dry right now. I mean, all the moves did happen, but I didn't get no setup. So we're gonna tune. Well, we have our setups for London. I'm not gonna be trading London. I'm gonna be knocked out. I'm actually about to KO soon in a bit anyway, and then we're gonna tap in tomorrow morning. So y'all, make sure you guys just keep dropping your charts. I want to still check them out when I get the time, and I'll let y'all know if I see what I see too, and then we all be like, cool, we all see the same thing. We all can eat. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna head out. But like I said, tomorrow we're gonna be live and direct. All right, everybody. Peace, love. Talk to y'all soon.
Ain't no, this not just for the show, but that you entertain. Anybody not for me is below me, blow me, you in the way. I live my dreams, I got it locked, the master keeping on me. Back in the field, running audibles with the team. Everything I got out the mother, told my truth. I shake that fake shit, they praise you, then minimize you behind you. Just know I notice you. Stay woke, no joke, it really be the ones you closest to. Had to stop sleeping on myself like I ain't know the truth. Oh, this to me like it's really nobody code is this. And if you disagree, then you jaws and your claim get audited. Who you know do the beating and talking and write the harmonies. I'm really convinced there's nobody out here going hard as me. Wish well the dog that claimed belief in me so he could use me. Look at me now, you chose your route, I know you sick to see it. You talk a lot, all that flop, but that's not harming us. Capping your status, we back and nobody bras us. To the ones that held me down for the count, look at what growth will do. I'm the kid from the cul-de-sac, feeling double sex with loot they pay to play my shit back. Ain't no way I'm going back until I'm fossil fuel to the flame, just like I'm supposed to do. Enough of the code switching, been hitting my soul, been on the ropes, I'm ready to grow, so get to know me. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me, want you to glow with me. Been hitting my soul, been on the ropes, I'm ready to grow, so get to know me. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me, want you to glow with me. I've been on a job, trying to take it far. I need that ROI, that done paid the cost. I'm all in on me, little baby, she agrees, she really been here through the fall. She the only thing I need. I wanna be free, I know that they want me for my ideas so they can line their pockets. Don't hit me to tell me that you give a fuck about me. You don't even know nothing about me, trying to force me on your timeline. You know you need to stop it, I live for more than attention. Might not be your trending topic, put my worth in analytics. I admit that took a toll, I got addicted to scrolling. We know well that get toxic, I got caught comparing me to people I don't even know. They say it's lonely at the top, well maybe then I'll focus on things that's more important and let whoever think whatever and just keep it moving. These niggas won't work on themselves, they'd rather see you losing. You'll never see me losing.
Enough of the code switching, been hitting my soul, been on the ropes, I'm ready to grow, so get to know me. Keep your head up, I want you to grow with me. See this gold on me,